All about blackberries, the sweet and bold berry. In this video we will see types of blackberries, their nutritional value, health benefits, how blackberries grow, fun facts about blackberries and their uses. So let's get started. Blackberries are full of flavor and nutrition. These dark, juicy berries have a slightly sweet and tangy taste, making them a perfect addition to many dishes and desserts. Did you know that blackberries are packed with vitamins and have been used in traditional medicine for their health benefits? Scientific name: Rubus fruticosus. Family: Rosaceae. Native to Europe, North America, and parts of Asia. Grown in USA, Mexico, the UK, and other temperate regions. Types of blackberries. There are several varieties of blackberries, but here are some popular ones. Dewberry, smaller, with a more intense flavor. Boysenberry, a hybrid variety, larger and sweeter. Marionberry, a very sweet variety, often found in Oregon. Trailing blackberry, known for its creeping vines and sweet fruit. Apache blackberry, thornless and great for making jams. Nutritional value of blackberries per 100 gram. Calories: 43 kilocalories. Carbohydrates: 9.6 gram. Natural energy. Fiber: 5.3 gram, supports digestion. Vitamin C: 21 milligram, immunity booster. Vitamin K: 19.8 microgram, supports healthy bones. Potassium: 162 milligram, supports heart health. Water content: 88%, keeps you hydrated. Health benefits of blackberries. 1. High in antioxidants, protects your cells and slows down aging. 2. Promotes heart health. Rich in fiber and potassium, lowers the risk of heart disease. 3. Boosts immunity, full of vitamin C to help fight infections. 4. Good for digestion. High fiber, helps keep your digestive system healthy. 5. Anti-inflammatory, helps reduce inflammation and swelling in the body. 6. Supports healthy skin. Antioxidants help improve skin tone and reduce wrinkles. How blackberries grow. 1. Blackberry plants grow in temperate climates and thrive in well-drained soil. 2. They produce white or pink flowers that turn into tiny green fruits. 3. After 2 to 3 months, the berries ripen from green to a deep purple-black color. 4. Blackberries grow on vines, and some varieties can be trellised or grow wild. Fun facts about blackberries. 1. Blackberries are aggregate fruits, meaning they are made up of multiple small drupes, tiny fruits. 2. The largest blackberry ever recorded weighed 2.5 ounces, 70.9 grams. 3. Blackberries are packed with vitamin C, more so than many other berries. 4. The blackberry plant has thorns, but some newer varieties are thornless. 5. Blackberries are one of the best sources of fiber, making them great for gut health. Uses of blackberries. 1. Eaten fresh. Enjoy them as a snack or mixed into your cereal. 2. Blackberry smoothies. A refreshing drink full of flavor and nutrients. 3. Blackberry desserts. Pies, crumbles, cakes, and more. 4. Blackberry jam and jelly. A sweet spread for toast or pancakes. 5. In salads. Add them for a burst of color and sweetness in your greens. Conclusion: blackberries are delicious, nutritious, and full of health benefits. Next time you enjoy these bold, sweet berries, remember all the goodness they bring to your health.